Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how to select specific rows using where clause and relational operators. The where clause in select statement actually specifies the criteria for selection of rows to be retrieved. We can select all columns or specific columns according to some criteria or condition. Every select statement will return a result set. Here I want to extract data from student table where marks greater than 80. We can choose any column name. It can be character also, but for characters we have to put single or double quote. To display Amit, we have to write select star from students where name is equal to Amit. Likewise, we can select specific columns of the table. For that, we have to give the names of the columns instead of star. I just want to see name and marks in student table whose mark greater than 80. Then I have to write select name comma marks from student where marks greater than 80. As you can see, only two names are there whose marks are greater than 80. Now we'll discuss relational operator. Relational operator is used to compare two values. The result of comparison will be either true or false. It will give Boolean result. The examples are is equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to. From student table, I want the name of the students whose mark is equal to 80. Only roll number 4 have 80 marks. Now we'll discuss less than equal to. Select star from student where marks less than equal to 80. It will show the names of the student whose mark is less than equal to 80. As you can see, there are, in case of greater than equal to 80, the student whose mark is 80 and above will be selected. Select star from student whose marks greater than equal to 80 will select the names of those students whose mark is 80 and above 80. To select all data except 80, we have to use not equal to operator. Select star from students where marks not equal to 80 will select all records whose mark is not equal to 80. As you can see, there are 4 data in the result set and their marks is not equal to 80. Now see practically how it will actually work. As we are using student database, we have to write use student. To see the complete data, we have to write select star from student. It will show all the data available in student table. Display the names of the students whose mark is equal to 70. We have to write select star from student where marks is equal to 70. As you can see, only Kamlesh has marks 70. In result, we'll see only one row as only Kamlesh is matching the criteria. If we want to display the records whose stipend is equal to 2200, then we have to write select star from student where stipend is equal to 2200. As you can see, there are only 2 records whose stipend is equal to 2200. Those 2 datas will be displayed. To display the name of the student whose marks less than 70, we have to write select star from student who have marks less than 70. To see the records whose marks less than equal to 70, we have to write select star from student who have marks less than equal to 70. And there are only 2 students whose marks are less than 70, that is marks 60 and 70. To see the names of the student whose mark greater than 70, we have to write select star from student where marks greater than 70. To include 70 in the result set, we have to write greater than is equal to. It will include 70 as well as the names of the student whose mark is greater than 70. If we are interested in the names of the student whose mark not equal to 70, then you have to write select star from student whose marks not equal to 70. 70 will not be included in this case. We will discuss logical operator in next video. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.